In today's easy DIY project, I'll show you how to build a 27-gallon Tote storage rack. I'm using a circular saw and a fast square to cut my 22 2x4x8. Here's all the pieces you will need for this build. At the end of this video, I'll show you how to scale this build so you can build a tote rack for the amount of bins you want. The top of the first 2x4 rail is at 15 inches. Each subsequent 2x4 rail top will be 17 inches apart, and then you will add 2.5 inches over the top rail. Since I will add the rail while the frame is up, I will set my 2x4 rails on a fast square. So for this reason, my mark needs to be 3.5 inches lower to account the 8 of the 2x4. Now for the top and bottom 2x4 of the frame. You need 23.5 inches for the first column of tote, then you add 22 inches for each other column. My rack is 3 tote large, so I set the 2x4 at 22 inches from the edge. Alright, so now that all my pieces are marked, I screw the top and the bottom 2x4 to the vertical one. And I repeat this process 2 times. This will give us the front and the back frame for our tote rack. It's time to assemble the frames to the rail that will hold the storage bin. Before I do so, I'm clamping 4 of them to temporarily hold the front and the back frame into the right position. It's now time to add the rails. And like I've said earlier, I've marked the vertical 2x4 at 3.5 inches lower than where the top of the rail will sit. That way, I can clamp a fast square on my line, and then I set the 2x4 rails while I screw them in place. And I repeat this step for the 30 pieces. Make sure you mount your tote rack to the wall or add a cross brace to the back of it. It's time to get organized. You can now fill up your tote rack with your 27-gallon storage bin, and the build is done. Alright, let me show you how to scale this build to the amount of container you want. Let's start with a 2 tote rack example. You need 15 inches for the bottom container, then you will need to add 17 inches for every other tote you want to add. And you need to add 2.5 inches over the top rail. Now, let's say you want to add a third container, you will need to add 17 inches to your vertical 2x4, and you continue like that for a fourth or a fifth bin. As you can see, the first section is 23.5 inches wide because you need to take into account the first vertical 2x4 that is 1.5 inches wide. If you want to add another column of storage bin, you will need to add 22 inches to your bottom and the top plate. You add 22 inches for every other column of storage tote you want to add. Here's 3 plans you can screenshot for future reference. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, ask them below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you next time.